Okay, so let's get started. So something that is really interesting is you can search the word t-shirt, and here we go. So this is design in proper esports graphics. So we're going to design esports t-shirt. So let's click here and let's go to elements. Let's search gaming. Actually, let's go to photos and let's search gaming. Let's go free and pro because they have pro. Apply filters and see if I could get this started. And then effects, so remove background. And while we're doing that, let's try again. Okay, let's try something else because apparently it was acting up, so let's try this instead. So let's search Xbox. So let's search free and then pro because I have pro. And here we go. And then here. And then let's go to text. Let's search gaming. Game station condensed. Search here. Let's do this. Do the Xbox Bros. Let's do all caps. And let's do spacing. And then let's highlight this and let's group this. And let's do photos brothers. Let's do this. Let's do effects, remove background. This should work at this point. Okay, so their background tool did work. So let's go here, let's group this right here. Let's do this. And let's print this t-shirt or download, so let's see how it will look. So as you can see, it would actually show up on the print. So something to keep in mind is this actually is for the middle of the t-shirt, not the entire t-shirt. So we might want to actually modify this a bit, even though it still looks good, but we might want to do something like this. And then go back to photos, and then do gaming again. And then here is like this nice background, and this could go really well. And then you pick a nice black color, or if you're gonna do blue, you might as well go all in with the blue color. So that way the Xbox Bros, it would end up matching it with the t-shirt. So something to keep in mind is to really implement the previews. So let's work on another t-shirt just so we get the hang of it. So go to elements right here. Let's do woman. Okay, that wouldn't work. Nope. I thought she was holding a joystick, so and there's a reason why I'm doing this particularly, so let's go to effects and remove background. Looks like this one would remove. Nice. Okay, text. Wait, Control Z. What did it do? Okay, redo, 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 redo. Always drag, remember that. Dragging is better so you don't make a mistake, but gaming sys. Okay, let's go, let's use Ubuntu for this one. I want to use the Ubuntu font. I feel like that work really well. Bold. Let's bold this out. Bold. And then let's do spacing, letter. Spacing. And let's do this. Because then it will end up looking really good in terms of the t-shirt. You might want to center her out a bit more because this is obviously see if we can just move this a bit more. And then here you have it in the preview. It looks good, and then you could order it.